Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa raziyallahu ta'ala anha reported that on one occasion I asked the Prophet ﷺ, will people remember one another on the day of judgment? The Prophet ﷺ replied, no, they will not remember one another in three situations. Firstly, when they are by the scale of deeds until the weight of their righteous deeds is heavy or light. Secondly, at the time when each person is given their book of deeds. Some will receive it in their right hand and others in their left. Thirdly, at the time when hell will bring out a neck and they will fall into hell due to anger and resentment. Hell will declare 3 times. It will be given control over 3 types of people: the one who associated partners with Allah, the one who had no faith in the day of judgment, and the arrogant tyrants. Then hell will wrap up them and throw them in the darkness of its depths. There will be a bridge over hell, thinner than a hair and sharper than a sword. It will have thorns and hooks that will catch whoever Allah wills. Some will pass over it as quickly as the twinkling of an eye, some like the wind, and some like fast horses and riders. Angels will say, save, save. Some will emerge safe and sound, some with wounds, and some with their faces being dragged in hell. Musnad Ahmad Hadith number 23693.